I'm going to show you how to sign up to Replika AI account. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and download the app first through your App Store or your Play Store. And once you have done so, you can find your app right over here. Just go ahead and tap there and you would see this on your screen. So you have options to either continue with email, your Apple ID, or Google. So you can choose whatever options that you prefer. I'm going to choose Google. Just go ahead and choose your Google account. Tap on continue. Now just go ahead and enter your name. Tap on continue. Enter your pronouns and tap on create an account. Enter your age and tap on continue again. It'll ask you something about yourself. How familiar are you with AI technology? Tap on continue. Choose your experience with AI. Select what was your main reason to download Replika. Tap on continue. So you have more questions like these. It'll ask you some personal questions about your hobbies. Select what gender do you want Replika to be, and now it is processing, and now you have created a personalized Replika. If you want to use the premium version, you can tap on continue. If not, then you can just tap on cross. Just write down Replika's name, and there you go. You have successfully signed up to your Replika AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.